Hey guys, it's Jamie here, and can you believe we're finally on Christmas week? I've done a lot of Christmas themed weeks already. This week I am going to put a Christmas theme in it because I'm going to make a Christmas tree out of washi tape. But generally I'm not going to have loads of Santa and elves. I'm going hot chocolates because that's our big treat at Christmas, and a few boxes of things to do. To make the Christmas tree, I'm going to do it over this area. I'm going to do a long triangle. I will draw a couple of lines in. I'm going to go Swedish Norwegian style with this, not in the colourways, but in the sort of in the look of it. It's going to be a lot of cutting and sticking, but these are going to be the branches. The way I'm thinking Norwegian style works is we're not going to go straight, we're going to do angles. Sometimes we'll overlap and have different lengths. What I was thinking is sometimes we could have longer branches and slightly overlapping and then coming that way, a shorter one and really overlapping, and maybe a slightly different angle again. I think you're getting the sort of general gist of what I'm doing. I then with this one might go the same way, but maybe more of an angle and a longer branch. No, shorter branch. Luckily I got these in a pack of, I think it was 10, and they were very reasonable from, I think these ones were from Amazon. Just do that. I'm hoping this is going to look like a Christmas tree. Of course, it could end up looking nothing like a Christmas tree, and it's just a Christmas tree in my head. It could just look like a load of washi going either way. Let's have a quick look at this. Is this working out? I think so. I think it's looking a bit like a Christmas tree. I'm not sure. Let's drop it right down this time. See, if we rub this out, this is what I'm hoping. If there's any lines showing, we just rub them out. I'm going to have one going this way. What I want is a brown colour that could be... Don't worry, it's not going to stay like that. What I'm going to do is cut it away when you get to a branch. Oh, I feel like I need a star. Maybe to make it stand out, we should do silver. Does that stand out, or does gold stand out better? I think gold stands out better. Pop a bit of glue down to get that stuck down. You could actually decorate the tree. I think I might decorate the tree. I've also found these which could act as baubles, so I'm going to stick those on as well. I'm now looking at this thinking, now we've got this super modern jazzy take on a Christmas tree, my other planned stickers may not be jazzy enough. I'm not sure. We're going to try them. It's all cups of hot chocolate, and if it's not enough we can come back in with some washi or some more glittery things, because why not? It's Christmas. List of things to do. There is going to be a ton, and I'm busy until probably Wednesday or Thursday, so I think I might actually do my list of things to do on the Wednesday. And if we start with the big box, then we know where we're going with the rest of the week. At the bottom, just let's pick a mug of hot chocolate. Probably a red one, because the boxes, mind you, all the boxes are green. Probably a red one because the box is green, but they're all green, so it doesn't really matter. I might actually do a couple of mugs. Stagger them slightly. I probably should have cut up some slogans as well. Okay, a couple of mugs looks quite good actually. Let's do that. This is going to be my Christmas list of things to do, but there are actually things to do business wise. So I'm probably going to stick another box down on the Monday. And again, let's have a look at these hot chocolate mugs. pop that one there. I'm wondering if I want to do a bit of washi decoration around here anywhere, just because it will bring in a bit of glam. Don't know. I think so, and I think if we've done it here, we could do a tiny amount here and maybe here, but maybe just underneath the cups. I'm liking using the reds and the golds. We want to go here or here. I feel I could go here and then maybe even put like a cup there. Let's try that cup. Too many cups? No, I think that works. We're going to do that then. We can use more washi tape on the other page, with the tree being quite so dominant on this page. It's using a little of it to make sure that when we do more on the other page there is some balance. 23rd I've got 22nd I've got a lunch out as well actually. So that's almost a box inside a box. A little strange, I know, but otherwise I'll lose it and I will forget. I might, when I've used all my stuff, not do a whole cup, but although you could actually do a whole cup. There's no reason why you can't write round the words. Slightly tilty cup, but that's okay. 23rd, I have to get my daughter from the train station. My son is working this day. I think he's doing an overnight, so he's going to need a lift. It's actually the following week that's busier. Got all of this to decorate and only really got these as decorations, which doesn't help very much. My cups are all like this, like I've already had too much Christmas cheer. Get a biggish box for gratitudes. We'll do some more washi tape in a minute. I'm contemplating. There'll be 3 of us here Christmas morning, so how about I do 3 there. I have a big mug. And I do have other boxes, of course, so I could do another box. I could do something like that. What I might do is run some washi here and put that cup between those two. Lots of stripes going on over in that corner. We have the Merry Christmas one. Should that go across Christmas Day? Yes, but where? I'm going to line it up with that box, then it's sort of on Christmas Day, and round that cup handle. We can do a bit more washi tape in some places. Right along that bottom edge, and then cut round the bottom of that cup. Some more washi down. I really don't want to have to cut round too many cups. Oh, I've still got to cut round this bit as well. Duh. I do like these washis. Leaving myself the joy of cutting around this edge, I think. Then, what else have we got? I think I might need to bring the Merry Christmas back in, even if it's not on Christmas Day. Basically, I'm putting washi under every box by the feel of it. I think that's enough washi on that side. I feel there's a lack on this side, and that's partly because of this Christmas tree. Therefore, add a line from there to there. I think it's okay. I think you could do with the tiniest bit here. Let's have a look now. Part of me just wants something here. Yeah, now I'm happy. took a little while of playing with the washi tape, but now I am happy with that. It's Christmassy. Has a blingy Christmas tree. I don't know if you can tell that's a Christmas tree or not, but that's my version of a Christmas tree. Let me know if that looks like a Christmas tree or not. In fact, don't let me know, because I'm pretty sure it doesn't. And then you've got the actual planner and plenty of boxes, etc, etc. Looks bright and cheerful. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help other people on YouTube see the video. Let me know what you think of the weird looking Christmas tree in the comments. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It will be a lovely Christmas gift for me. And I will see you next time.